Oh, very good.
I watched some of the behind the scenes, when you guys were recording the audio, and I really love having to act out sounds. And I was going to test your ability on it, right?
Sure.
So I'm going to hand you 2 cards. Don't show each other. Essentially a game of charades, but it's sound effects.
Okay.
So don't show each other these.
Oh, okay.
And you have to test each other. See if you can act it out and see if the other can guess. Just with noises.
Just with noises?
Yeah.
So I can only make the noise?
Yeah.
Well, why don't I close my eyes, because you may want to gesture while you make the noise.
That makes
okay.
Okay, fitting. You go. My stomach's actually rumbling. Oh, opening something in a cinema where you shouldn't be eating it. Yes.
Oh, no. Look at this nice.
Oh, very good. I've got it.
Stroking a cat. Oh, a cat eating it.
It's a man or a lady petting a cat and it's loving it, and then it goes mad and digs it into him. Is that right?
Let me tell you.
Petting and then getting attacked by a cat.
Yeah, I mean...
Perfect.
I've killed that.
Yeah.
You've killed it. I think I killed it.
I took all the credit for that. That is.
I mean,
that
it
is an
was
actor.
literally
No, that's an actor. I've killed it.
That
I've
was,
killed it.
well,
Great,
I've
yeah.
done it. Later, guys. I did it all on my own.
And that wasn't a joke. I literally took all the credit for that.
Okay.
That is-
Shh. Oh my god. I literally have no idea. Start from the beginning. What are you pouring? Kettle. Putting the kettle on. It's obviously not like. Okay, great. Here we go.
Then I went steamer.
That was so. I was like defrosting the car windows. I don't know what's going on.
Okay. So.
It is somebody drinking a drink. Do I need to be a champagne? A bottle of wine? It's a bottle of wine. Glugging the whole bottle. Look at
Champagne.
this.
That's pretty good. That's not bad. I've killed it.
Nailed it.
Popping in a champagne bottle. Drinking champagne.
Otherwise known as my favourite pastime.
I tell you what, Donal, you're a smashing little actor.
That's great. Real condescending. You are doing.
You are a cracking little actor.
Look, what's going on in that tiny head of yours? I wonder half the time.
That's exactly it.
Yeah.